On a gloomy day like this, one of the best things you can do is to cuddle up with a movie and a nice warm drink.
One of our favorite drinks is the hot toddy. Sweet and sour with a little kick. And so easy to make. If you want to learn how to make it, you're in the right place. Oh, teeth check. You good? Hey YouTube, I'm Nika Gocha.
And I'm Darius Shipp.
And welcome to our channel, Nika Shipp. So if you're new to our channel, that is totally fine. So are we. But if you do this the favor of hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing to our channel, the button should be here or there. I don't know. It's a big red button. You know where to press. Just press it. Thank you. But enough about us, we'll get into that in another video, but let's just jump right into this hot toddy.
Yeah, let's talk about it because, of course, they're delicious. Of course, they're warm, they're hot, they soothe the soul, but also when you taste them, you get that nice kick of citrus from the lemon, you get that sweet and spicy from that cinnamon syrup, and you also get that oomph from that Irish whiskey. And we love that oomph.
Yeah, so let's get into that oomph and show you how to make it. Woo! Okay guys, first you're going to need some hot water, some lemon for some lemon zest and lemon juice, and a few cinnamon sticks. Now on to the alcohol. So we are going to be using Jameson Irish whiskey. You can also use bourbon, but over here, we like that Jameson. Okay? Okay. So next we have our simple syrup. You can purchase simple syrup at any local grocery store. We made ours homemade, infused with cinnamon and cloves. If you'd like to know how we made our simple syrup, please comment below. Alright, on to our utensils. So for that lemon zest, we're going to need a zester, voila. And for the juice, we are going to use a lemon wedge squeezer. Ooh la la. Alright, jumping right into making that drink. So right now we are getting the lemon zest in the cup. Alright, tap the glass and look at that. Look at all that zest. Perfect. Now we're going to squeeze the juice into the cup with the lemon squeezer. Squeeze the life out of it. Alright, perfect. Then you're just going to drop that lemon wedge like it's hot on into the cup. And now we're going to add the simple syrup. Not too much because it's really sweet. Drop in the Jameson. 1/1000 to 1000 is a good measurement for 2 ounces. Add the hot water. Stir it a bit. Stir it on up. Drop in the cinnamon stick, and there you have it, folks. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will have all of the utensils we use and ingredients we use listed in the description box below. But thanks again for watching. See you next time.